Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that helps you make the smartest buying decisions without all the guesswork. Today, we're diving into the sky with two budget-friendly drones that promise to make you the next Spielberg of aerial shots. On the left, we have the DEERC drone D70, and on the right, the TOMZON P5G GPS drone. Buckle up because it's going to be a bumpy flight. First up, let's talk about the price. The DEERC comes in at a wallet-friendly $79. That's like 2 weeks of Starbucks. Meanwhile, the TOMZON will set you back $159. For that price, it better come with a pilot's license, right? Now, let's zoom in on the camera quality. The DEERC boasts a 1080p HD Wi-Fi camera, perfect for those Instagram shots of your dog looking majestic. But the TOMZON? Oh, it's packing a 4K UHD camera with a 90 degrees adjustable lens and a 120 degrees wide-angle view. It's like the difference between watching a movie on a VHS tape and IMAX. If you want your footage to look like it was shot by Christopher Nolan, TOMZON's got you covered. Alright, let's talk about ease of use. The DEERC is like the drone equivalent of a push-button start car. One key takeoff and landing, altitude hold, emergency stop, and headless mode. Even your grandma could fly this thing after 10 minutes of practice. Now, the TOMZON isn't exactly throwing you into Top Gun training either. It comes with beginner mode, headless mode, and precise altitude hold. Plus, it has a high-precision GPS system, so it practically flies itself. Think of it as having a drone with a built-in autopilot. Next, we have flight time. The DEERC will keep you airborne for a decent amount of time, but the TOMZON is like the Energizer Bunny of drones. With 2 batteries, you get up to 36 minutes of flight time. You could practically film a mini documentary in that time. The DEERC might need a pit stop halfway through your epic sky adventure. Both drones come with a bunch of fun features. The DEERC has some cool tricks like 360 degrees flips, high-speed rotation, and circle fly. It's basically doing aerial gymnastics. But the TOMZON? It's got follow me mode, custom path flight, and GPS auto return. It's like having a loyal dog that never gets lost and always finds its way back home. Plus, the TOMZON comes in a waterproof carrying case, so you can take it on all your wild adventures. Last but not least, customer service. Both companies offer solid support. DEERC has 7*24H full-time after-sales service and a 1-year replacement policy. TOMZON matches that with a 1-year warranty and 7/24 online help. So whether you crash your drone into a tree or it decides to take a swim in the pool, you'll have backup. Reviewers appreciate the DEERC drone D70 for its affordability, durability, and ease of use, making it a great choice for beginners and children. However, some noted issues with the camera quality and occasional malfunctions. On the other hand, the TOMZON P5G GPS drone receives praise for its high-quality camera, stability, and advanced features, although some users faced connectivity issues with newer smartphones. Both drones have strong customer service backing, ensuring a positive overall experience. So which drone should you buy? If you're on a budget and want something easy to fly with decent features, the DEERC is your go-to. But if you're ready to splurge a bit for better camera quality, longer flight time, and some nifty GPS features, the TOMZON is the way to go. Either way, you're getting a great drone that will make your aerial footage look epic. Thanks for watching Buy Smart. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and leave a comment about which drone you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Catch you in the next one.